There's pills over here, right?
We might need these.
Yeah, good stuff. I gotta stop saying A for the recording, because that shit will just get me mocked like crazy. Like I sound ridiculous enough as it is. See, at least we're not racist and stuff, that's kind of alright. Geographically inconsiderate. That's, I'm gonna throw some propane tanks in the main strip. That's not blow them up to like, shit gets real. Itself, basically. Maybe we can use them to our advantage. Are you recording again?
Yeah.
Alright. No, it's funny and they don't know why. It's an inside joke. The best kind.
Weapons here!
Watch out!
Yeah, all the zombie chicks are dressed kind of hoey.
We better
A little hoey for my liking.
so we can head out.
Oh, I like it a lot, but
Cover me while I
but tacky. Flats and leggings, just like real life. I'll get the same one I got last time. I'll make my way over there.
Molotov!
Is Bangle sleeping again?
No, I don't hear the snoring yet. I just noticed the animation on the bile bomb looks so awful.
When you throw it?
No, the fluid inside when you're holding it.
Just swishes back and forth.
It doesn't even swish, it just moves.
I'm getting these propane or these flame things.
For the accessories. Hey, Bobby.
It's a pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's a pretty good handheld.
I'm just gonna throw them up on the main strips. Maybe we'll have a chance. Trying to
No,
space them.
we won't. No, it's 9-10, but that's alright. I have a sword this time. I was hitting him with a fraternity paddle.
All the spankings.
Reloading!
Alrighty, I'll get this one. You guys can get the other ones.
Did you guys start them?
No, I haven't yet.
Ammo
Oh,
here!
you're on that one.
Yeah, I'll be over here. Just say when.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ammo here!
Positive he's sleeping.
Huh?
I'm pretty positive he's sleeping.
No, I don't hear the snoring yet. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
We need to power these 3 generators to raise the bridge.
Fire in the hole!
What the hell? The whole bridge came down in an
Here they
instant.
come!
It did?
Yeah, it
Seriously?
just came down. It's down.
That kind of fucking rules.
Yeah, man, the game was fucking with me.
Maybe just thought we were pretty. Make him way back. All the fire. Oh shit. Yeah.
Reloading! Reloading!
Tanks here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw those 2 by. Oh wait, hang on a sec. There's one over here. I'm gonna grab it. Rocking out.
Fire in the hole!
Pretty close to us. Wow! Fuck! Who threw that?
Good one!
Kanzen, was that you?
I don't have any. I got a bile bomb. I was just talking about it.
No, I was trying that gas in there to go off my hand or something. I don't understand what happened there, dude. I swear.
More tanks.
Ammo here!
I'm gonna heal myself and grab one of these health packs.
Heal.
Oh shit, they're right on you, dude. Yeah. Oh, that fucking
Hey, that hurt!
Oh! Just ran into the concrete.
dude. Run away!
No, I just got punched by the
Thank you,
tank.
He did his best.
Now watch this one.
Come on! Get up!
Fuck is the tank? I
Reload.
just want to shoot you guys.
Reloading!
You uploading, Ross? Yeah, yourself.
Yeah.
Cover me.
Reloading!
Is there more tanks?
Zoe, you really ought to heal.
Got him. Fuckers. Well done, self. Well done. Good for you. Good for you.
Reloading! Reloading!
Awesome. Really sweet.
So, because we're kicking the fucking shit out of this. Oh, what the fuck? Push back. Oh, metal Bangledesh.
Oh shit!
Reloading!
Thank you.
Can you, grab ammo from fence?
Oh, tank.
Cover my ass!
No.
Reloading!
Yeah, it kinda sucks.
Ammo here!
Where's the tank?
I don't know about it.
I see a smoker trying to shoot in the distance. Missed.
Oh shit! He's inside the building.
Oh, shit. Under. He's on me. Kanzen, right behind you. Oh, thanks, bros. Is that Bangles up there? Save him. Oh, shit. Ready. Use the gate. Is he dead? Alright, sweet. There's a health pack over here. We can actually grab it. Oh, you got one. Oh, shit! Oh. I have one.
First aid kit over. Reloading! Wait up!
Damn! Climb the fucking ladder, Lou.
Reloading!
Lewis! I wish I had like a bio bomb or something. This is come on, idle Bangladesh. We're going up anyway.
Molotov.
Oh, is there? Sweet. Watch your back, guys. Under. Oh, watch the ladder. You guys can.
Seriously, where are all these fucking tanks? There's four.
There's 4?
Yeah. Here.
I got 2 of them with the, There is literally fucking 4 of them. That is absolutely... Oh, they're coming for me. Oh, 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 oh. What, bros? Booyah! This guy.
What happened there?
There's still like a million tanks with this.
Yeah. Yeah. Sacrifice.
Yeah, in memory of you, dude.
Remember the time.
It's even called the sacrifice. Oh, dog, I just saved your ass. Calm down. 4 tanks? We never had taken that shit. He's definitely sleeping.
Yeah, the snoring or whatever that is.
Yeah.
You know, you turn your speakers up.
I got them already maxed out.
Are you telling me that the idle bang sleeping, its sound isn't going to be in the video? I'd be very disappointed.
I did stuff.
Took the least amount of damage.
He did 0 kills. What? That one.
I hope that recorded.
That was good shit. I can't believe how hardcore I saved you guys. That was pretty awesome of me.
Or did you just jump off, or oh, you went and redid the